10 reasons why everyone, including yourself, should start weight training or strength training today. Reason number 1, losing weight or weight loss. If you come up to me and tell me, Nancy, I want to lose weight, the first thing that I would recommend is weight training or strength training. When I say weight training, I'm referring to dumbbells. When I say strength training, I'm talking about anything from booty bands to machines or barbells, kettlebells, and so forth. So you will hear me interchanging between those two words. You will burn calories efficiently and your metabolism is boosted. While you're working out, you're going to use a lot of calories. And this is the most amazing thing, that you will continue burning calories up to 72 hours. Reason number 2, it strengthens your bones. When you are doing weight training, you are going to put stress on those bones, which causes bone building cells to take action and rebuild bones stronger. So that will help you prevent injuries and so forth. Reason number 3, it improves your mood. It helps release those good hormones, the endorphins, and you're going to feel so much better, and that is going to show in the way you live. Reason number 4, I love this one. It improves circulation, which is going to help improve the overall heart health. It also reduces sugar levels, lowers the bad cholesterol, and decreases blood pressure. Love it. Reason number 5, it reduces abdominal fat, of the visceral fat, the fat that is around vital organs like your liver and your stomach. Reason number 6, and ladies love this, it helps you appear leaner. Even you may not see it on the scale because the muscle is dense, you will definitely look leaner, thinner, and fit. Reason number 7, you will develop muscular endurance and muscular strength. When you are going to pick up something, you're gonna need to be strong, right? To pick it up. How about those times when you need to carry those bags, or you need to carry your dog or your kids or anything, and you need to be strong? You have to endure, right? So you definitely are going to need muscular endurance and muscular strength. Reason number 8, this is many people's favorite. You can eat with gusto, which means that you can get creative with your foods, particularly your proteins. So that way, when you are eating those delicious protein-based meals, you know for certain that based on what you did, based on what you worked out, you're going to definitely see more muscle, lean muscle mass. Reason number 9, it improves brain health. Your brain needs oxygen and loves it. When you work out, you bring even more. You bring rushes of oxygen to your brain, which makes you sharper. It gives you an edge. This is the reason why I did it. Is reason number 10. It empowers you. It makes you stronger. And I believe with all of my heart that it transcends to your emotional, mental, spiritual life. The strength training is going to help you get the physical energy, strength, stamina that you need in order to continue moving forward with whatever you have in life. And why strength training? I really believe that getting stronger, I love cardio, I love all the types of exercises, but strength training in particular, it helps you develop strength, and that strength gives you an idea of how you can get stronger mentally, emotionally, and in other areas of your life. So I hope this video was helpful. Take good care of yourself, do it for the right reasons, and everything is just going to land beautifully. Until then, take care. See ya.